Hi, it's Tracy from Ginger Teas. Welcome to my channel. I am the owner of Ginger Teas. We do t-shirts, sweatshirts, journals, and more. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create for my social media. In particular, today's video is about creating in Canva for my Pinterest. I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe if you want to see more.
Okay, so we're going to start with like an Instagram reel sized canvas, and I'm going to pop a colour on the background. We'll go with black. Then I'm going to pop our image or video. I'm going to pop a video of one of my products. I want to take the transparency right down. Yeah, maybe about 45. Then we're going to go to elements and we want to pop a frame in. So just choose which kind of frame you want. I will choose maybe a circle because I want to put some circle writing on. Position it where you want it. Let's go with up here so that you can still see this bit on the video, and go back and find the image that you want to put in it and drag it in there. So it's looking pretty good. You can always press play just to see how that's going. See the image. Maybe I might pop it down a little bit. Like here, I'm just going to make sure it's in the center. It's in the center. Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to add a text box, and I decided I'm going to write dreaming of summer sunsets. Oops. You change it to whatever font you want. I love the intro range of fonts, so I'll probably go with this one. Then you're going to go to effects, make it a curve. Take that curve up so it's going to fit around our little picture. I probably want to curve it a little bit more so that my words will join. Maybe I'm just going to type in 80, see how that looks. Yep, it's looking good. So I just need to make my curve a little bit bigger. Okay, so that's looking good. Now with those words, I just want to animate them. I'm going to use the rotate, and I'll show you why in a second, but we're just going to pop some text at the top. I'm going to say this is our Sunset Surf Club tee, so I'll probably just pop that in. Not the kind of look I was going for, so we will just make the words a little bit smaller, oops, until we get what we want. probably group these two together so that we can move it around if needed. Let's move it up a tiny bit. And you just want to change this up to what you want. Pink is my colours, so we're going to go with a bit of pink. Be 2 lines. And that's not the font I want all the other intros. Okay, so then we preview it. We have this nice rotating text with the video on the background. It's quite a long video, so I think we might take this video and just edit the playback speed a little bit. See how that looks. It's looking a little bit fast, so I might just trim the video instead. So we'll just take the playback down to 1, and we will trim the video. For 7 seconds. It's probably good. Preview it. Now I'm looking at it, I want something to happen with this text. So we will animate that, and I will use the typewriter feature. And now I have created either a reel for my Instagram, or probably more likely this one I will pop it on my Pinterest. So I'm just going to save it, download the MP4 video, save it to my Pinterest file, and we're done. So we've got this ready for Pinterest. Choosing the right place. We've written our description, and we're gonna publish it probably on Friday at 9:30.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.